the Superhawk 55, which we've just seen in construction, which is an amazing new boat. And you will also see the Superhawk 55 featured behind us, as well as the schematics on the floor. So you can see the full schematics for the Superhawk 55 and actually do a virtual reality walkthrough of this boat as well as you're designing your new Superhawk. Of course, here are some of the finishes and the materials that are available from Sunseeker. And after 2 days of visiting the Sunseeker facilities, I'm even more impressed with the Sunseeker brand. I've seen the final product, but I haven't had a chance to previously see how they build these boats, and it is quite impressive. So if you have an interest in a new Sunseeker, let us know. I think you'll be impressed too.